right or
Yes,
wrong?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
here network security, we are very common people. We need it, but not that much. But suppose consider the projects working on the DRDO's name. I hope that you all have heard DRDO, ISRO. Okay, so there the works, whichever works are going on, whichever projects are going on, mostly they are nowadays using the computer as their means working purpose. Now here you consider that some of my neighboring country, I am not going to take any name, if they want the file and they hack our system very easily and got every file, then it will be much devastating for us only, because DRDO is just handling the missiles, handling some kinds of uh, stuffs which is used in the what can I say, in the mm security purpose for our country. So here the network security is much more important. Okay, important for us, but they needed it most. Okay, if we need it 20%, they need it 99.9%. Right. Now here comes the few question. We why we also need the 20%. Okay, suppose in some website, personally I'm a huge fan of Amazon. Okay, mostly whatever I need in my life, means every daily need or everything I used to buy from Amazon. Now mostly I'm using my phone, but sometimes my phone, if my phone system is not working, my Amazon is say in the same way it is configured with my laptop and other devices also. Okay, now here comes the one question that that time I'm using my cards. Now, if the network security is not there, then easily anyone can steal money from me, right? Because if you have used Amazon or Flipkart, you have seen one time, if you are having done your payment, that card and everything is saved. Only one number we have to put first, CVV number, and after that we have to put only one OTP. So it's very easy. Now it's, I'm just talking about it's the in general security about our machine. Now what is network security? Network security means here those governments or personally some businesses are also using the websites. Consider the Amazon only. Amazon is also handling huge stuffs, huge monetary transactions. Now, if their network, if they are not using the network security, anyone can enter in their website and anyone can just steal the information from there. And what will happen after that? It will be an alarming situation for all of us. That is why we need network security as well as our device security both. But here we will consider only the network security. So let's see what is the network security. Now here, computer networks, both public and private, are used every day to conduct transaction and communication among businesses, government agencies and individuals. The networks are comprised of nodes, which are client terminals, and one or more servers or host computers. They're linked by communication system. I hope that this what you have understood, because how our systems are configured, I told already. The obvious example of a network system that is open to public access is an internet. But many private networks also utilize publicly accessible communication. Today, most company host computers can be accessed by their employees, whether in their office over private communication network or from their homes or hotel rooms or on the road through the normal telephone lines. Network security involves all the activities that organization or enterprises and institution undertake to protect the value and ongoing usability of assets and integrity and continuity of operation. Consider your school website. Every time you will see that while we have to access our school website, we need to put OTP, okay, which will be coming through only our registered phone number, only on our registered phone number, right? Now here comes the question, then why we are needing this thing, why we are needing the OTP. Now if we are not using the OTP, anyone can use our school's website, and you have seen that we are every day putting everything over there. Means it can be your attendance, it can be your study material, it can be the videos and everything. Now who is not a student of our school, if they are going to use that website, they can use it in the free of cost, which we don't want really, because we are paying amount, at least you are paying amount to use this facility, so you should take some advantages over there. That is why for the security purpose they have introduced the OTP. I hope that now you are just the concepts are getting clear. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so threats to network security here. Virus means that is actually the virus is also some programming, but that is the programming. The purpose of the programming is wrong. Purpose of the programming is actually to make some system wrong or make some system hack. This is the work of the virus. Next coming is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program which malicious or harmful code contain inside apparently harmless programming or data in such a way that it can get control and go it from the damage. So you need to remember the definition of Trojan horse. Okay, because Trojan horse previously few days ago you will see one name came, Pegasus.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, spyware software. Mainly, our government officials used it for the opposition ruling party. Opposition also used it for the government who are just now ruling. I am not, see here, I am not taking any name. If it is offline classroom, I can take the name, I can shout loudly. But so since the entire systems is means entire class is getting recorded, I can't take any name. I hope that you are understanding the limitations. Why? Because if I'm going to take the name from YouTube, it will my content will be blocked. Okay. So attacks are what? Attacks are including reconnaissance attack, access attack, and denial of service attack. Denial of service attack we all have seen previous few days ago. Some ransomware came and that is just blocking the entire system, calling like that, telling us like that if you are going to pay some money only then the system will work. So this kind of attack is very common nowadays. Okay, and who are just doing this kind of stuff means this hacking and hack related activities, they are actually very genius, I should say. Okay, next is data interception. The data leakage from companies internal network is one of the biggest business problem which cause huge financial losses. Just now I told that you are paying money, but if other people can intrude into our school's website, they are not paying the money, right? Because you are paying money for the entire thing, for website, for your teachers, for your everything. That is why you are getting the facility. But suppose someone is not paying that money and getting the advantage. Okay, so what will be happen, you can understand. Many students will just take the class, see the online class, do everything and go out. They are not bothered about the other things. Next, coming to social engineering, obtaining confidential network security information through non-technical means such as posing as a technical support person asking for people's password. This is the most common type of frauds nowadays we are seeing. Even my mother is also getting the calls like that. I am speaking from SBI Bank's this branch manager. You just tell me your password along with your bank card number and details, otherwise it will be blocked. Now in the reality, my mother don't have any account in SBI. She is having the account on other bank. Now think like that. So my mother is understanding at least that thing, that I don't have any SBI bank account, I do have the account on other bank. So she denied this kind of calls. But some people who are just very elderly, they are not understanding that this is a fraud call or something like that. They are asking for the credentials which we are not supposed to provide, but they are providing it. And after that, what is happening after that, the money is getting the entire money is getting means money they are stealing the money. They are stealing the money. Entire money is getting stolen, so getting stilled by them. Next is here. So secure. There are some network security tools. Problems is there as well as the solutions. Okay. So what are the tools? What are the tools? We will only learn antivirus software package. So whenever we are buying the new computer, we used to just install some antivirus software package. Next, coming here, secure network infrastructure. Network infrastructure, right now you will not understand, but in the internet there are many protocols are running. There you can see that those are actually helping to protect our entire system, means entire activity. Dedicated network security hardware and software. Casper Sky, suppose one software, that is also antivirus software. Virtual private network. Now who are just very good at stealing the movies, they are very accustomed with VPNs. VPNs means, VPNs means virtual that system will provide another number, another IMEI number, means that
That will hide
will
the OTP.
yes, hides your details, so that the government official easily can't track you or can't do anything. So nowadays many of us are using VPN. Next is identity services. Identity services is quite like same. Not, this is not cut, I'm just underlining. Okay. Encryption is actually means, what can I say? Encryption means, suppose I am sending you the message, hi, today class will be there, in WhatsApp. I suppose I am sending you the message. Okay. Now this message, you have seen that WhatsApp chats are end-to-end encrypted. That means that chat is getting converted in the binary, and that is just stored in different database by just this what there, that was there, like that. But when it is going to, this is suppose network, okay, but when it is going to you again, it will be assembled and the message will show like the same. Next, coming to firewall, Windows Defenders. If you are using the Windows computer, I hope that you have heard the name Windows Defender. So Windows Defender is actually a firewall. Firewall is actually nothing, that is actually helping us to protect from the protect from the viruses, I can say. Next is intrusion prevention system. Intrusion prevention system, the system are used to identify first spreading threats such as 0 day or 0 hour attacks. So like this way we can save, means we can keep safe our entire system. Okay. So here memory tips, first we will read those things, and after that we will go to the exercise. Computer networking is all about sharing and exchanging information between the companies in a network across wireless or wired technology. Okay, fine. A server shares the data, software, hardware, and resources on the network. NIC or NIC is a card that is physically makes the connection between the computer and the network cable. Okay, fine. So going to the next page. The word modem is actually a short form of modulator demodulator. This kind of things you have to remember. The router is a hardware device that routes data from a local area network to another network connection. The star topology connects everything to one host. And I told you that star topology only we are using nowadays mostly. Okay, so I am just going to start the exercise. This part you can do it in the book. By blue, I'm writing. Computer networking requires two or more computer
And the hardware.
and
Hardware.
and the
Hardware.
hardware to connect them. Next is that gets spread on the network very easily.
Viruses.
A server shares data, software, and
Hardware.
hardware resources.
Hardware.
Workstations are commonly connected to a host.
Network.
Workstations are commonly connected to a network or host.
Local area network. Local area.
Wait for a while. What book
Local
is
area
going to give us the answer? Let's see. Hardware. Next is viruses. Next is hardware
Network.
connected to a
Network.
common network.
Network.
NIC physically makes the connection between the
NOS.
and the network cable.
Computer. Computer. Hybrid.
Guys, that can be either in some last answer will be modem will be this answer. Okay. Next is NOS. This will be
6
NOS
will be NOS. And
NOS.
5 will be computer.
and 5 will be computer. Right. So yes, I am just going to do one thing. I am just clearing my screen. So let's see after submitting what is happening.
All correct.
After let's submit it. Correct. Okay. So this picture I will post. I have taken the screenshot. Next is true and false. Okay. So next is true and false.
True.
It's a revolution for the computer world. Obviously, it's true.
True.
Software and resources
And next one will
is
be true.
centrally
This will be
managed.
false. False. Ma'am,
Don't
false. Yes.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it will be
It
true.
will be true. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be true. Okay, fine. Server does not share data, software, hardware resources on the network.
False.
False.
Software
False.
do this. The main server, sorry. Next is workstation is a part of wide area
False.
network.
False. False.
Next,
True.
True. True.
metropolitan area network.
False. False.
In bus topology, all the computers
True.
can communicate with each other without having
True.
to go through the server. So few others. Okay. So here the true false only I am writing so that I can post some pictures.
Okay.
Only T and S I am writing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Internet is the revolution for the computer world. True. False. Next is workstation is part of wide
False.
area. Not false.
False.
True.
Then true, false,
And then
False.
true.
Then
True.
Technology, all the computers can communicate with each other.
True. True.
So pick the correct answer next.
and that answer the following question. Ma'am, what is networking that we will provide or we have to write by our own?
I will just provide.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
In generally in book, whatever the questions are there, everything I used to provide.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
So here, what is the computers and the other hardware devices are connected to one
Networking.
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 Computers networking is all about sharing, exchanging
Information.
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 User can access their files from any
Workstation.
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 So going to the next page. I hope that this is done. Sorry.
Sir, ma'am, one question more.
Yes, yes, yes.
Question number 4.
That
NOS. NOS.
NOS stands for NOS.
Network operating system.
Network operating system.
Since here also you can do. What is networking? What is the advantage of networking system? I will write those questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Okay,
today I
ma'am.
am just sharing. I am just stopping the screen share.
Okay.
Let me take the attendance after that.